Hello YouTube, Eric DIY with another great Mr. Lifehack product review. Today we're reviewing the Mr. Lifehack stainless steel cups. So I don't know about you, but in my house we use a lot of these cups, especially for me because I like to drink Arizona iced tea and I buy the 1 gallon jugs. So I'm always using these disposable solo cups. They are great in their own mind, but when I saw these Mr. Lifehack stainless steel cups, I knew that I needed to get them because this is going to save money over time and it will do everything that I need the solo cup to do, and I won't have to keep buying cups. On the side of the box they tell you that the stainless steel cups are available in 3 different sizes. You can get the 8 ounce, the 12 ounce, or the 16 ounce, and they come in a pack of 4. They're perfect for both kids and adults. You can have a safe cup for your toddler to transition to. They also, which I will not have in this review, but they also sell silicone sippy cup lids for these. They're also dishwasher safe, which makes it even more fantastic. But these are the 16 ounce cups and they hold just as much as a solo cup, as you can see. I've already used these for a couple days. Zach's used them for a couple days. We really love these. I'm probably not going to use solo cups ever again. I'm just going to keep using these stainless steel cups. We actually also got them because if we go camping, we want to have some just generalized cups that we can use. And this is obviously not for backpacking, but this would be for like if you're going to set up a camp somewhere at a campground and you just want to have some nice cups. Instead of getting the red solo cups that you know you're gonna have to throw out and stuff, you can get these wonderful Mr. Lifehack stainless steel cups, and you'll be taking them and keeping them forever. And one last thing about these Mr. Lifehack stainless steel cups is that they look great with these Star Trek coasters. If you'd like to see the review of those transporter pad LED coasters, please look for a link in the description below. So that is my review of the Mr. Lifehack stainless steel cups. I know they're really handy. You will never have solo cups again if you buy these. Great for camping, great for outdoors, great for just having around the house. If you drink a lot of bottled drinks that you have to pour into a cup, you'll never have to have cups again because you'll have these forever. If you'd like to purchase the Mr. Lifehack stainless steel cups, please look for a link in the description below. We'll send you to Amazon where you can purchase your very own. Every purchase will support the Eric DIY channel. We appreciate all your support. And if you like this video and you want to see more like it, please give us a thumbs up and push that subscribe button. As always, have a great evening. As always, if you like this video, found it useful, please subscribe. And if you have a product that you would like reviewed, please contact Eric by emailing him at eric5150diy@gmail.com. Have a great day.